we have a little raccoon and our little social butterfly. Yeah. Yep, that's our little social butterfly. Yes. Wrong way. There we go. Too far. There you go, my sweet little thing. Yes, you munch up on those honey wheat things. It's good for you. And I know you like honey. Hi. Hello, Miss Charlotte. Yes. You are just the cutest little thing. Raccoon's going, just let me have my cereal. I'll be happy. Whoop. Okay, back to your food. Saw somebody stick a head up over there, but I don't know which one. Yes, you are a sweet thing. Ah, there's another raccoon over there. There we go. There's another little raccoon. So our little social butterfly is going to be her little social butterfly self. Oh, you are a good group. You are just the cutest little thing. Yes, you are. As the kitty tries out a piece of cereal, I don't know what you see in this. I'll try it, but I don't know what you see in it. You'd be happier with the peanuts, kitty. Or the kibble. You are a sweet thing. Yes, my little Charlotte kitty. And the little raccoon. Yes, you are just a little love. As you can tell, we are not being threatened by storms tonight. Yay, team. So we have food down by my window, food between my window and the gazebo, and of course food on the gazebo. So there's lots of food all over the place. Oh, some noise that he didn't like, so we'll go up here and see about this one. There. Yeah. Bob. No, you're going to come down for some cereal. Okay. That's good. You like that. Oh, wrong way. There we are. There. I probably won't get this onto the internet until after my dinner, but that's okay. They do like their honey puffed wheat. You're such a little thing. Yes, you are. It's 6 o'clock. There go the bells. Okay, well, I'm going to let this little rascal eat in peace, and my dinner should be ready, so I'm going to go deal with that. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I shall return. Bye-bye.